my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful peacock card, and you can give that to like your family members for birthdays or something like that, and it's really fun to make. So let's get started. So what we will need for this card is any color card, some plain paper, a pencil, some sellotape, some scissors, and be careful with your scissors, and one green marker and one blue marker. So let's get started. So the first step is to fold this into a fan shape like this. And now we're going to fold this in half like this. And then we're going to open it back up. And now we're going to move on to the next step. So now we are going to draw one peacock feather in every one of these boxes here, like this. And we will leave these two boxes for sticking. So let's move on to the next step. So now we are going to colour in the peacock feathers green and blue like this. And now we have finished colouring. Let's move on to the next step. So now we are going to make a peacock's head by using a pencil, a small paper, some scissors, and be careful with your scissors, and these 3 colours, red, green and blue. And now we are going to colour it in. Now we are going to cut our peacock out carefully. And now we have finished cutting, let's move on to the next stage. So now as we have all of our pieces, we can now start making the peacock. So we're going to start off like this. We're going to fold our card and then do this. And now we have finished our peacock card, and this is how it opens, and this is the front. And I hope you enjoyed. So I hope that your peacock cards go really well, and I will see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching my channel. I hope you are having fun and learning lots of things. Please remember to like and subscribe. I really enjoy making these videos for you to see. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. See you next time.